moving parts. Even a slight change in just one of those parts, temperature, sunlight, ocean circulation, can have a domino effect on all the others. So if the temperature goes up or down, it can ripple through the whole system.
To put it into perspective, the depths of the ice ages were separated from the period today by only a few degrees in the global average temperature.
The ice ages, according to biologist Stephen Bacala, were climate changes brought on by natural cycles. Approximately every 100,000 years, the Earth's orbit becomes slightly more elliptical, taking us further from the sun. When that coincides with other cycles, such as periods when the planet tilts away from the sun, it can cool things down.
Those changes trigger a set of mechanisms that cause there to be more or less heat put to different parts of the planet.
It doesn't take much to spawn an ice age, just a small drop in the amount of sunlight reaching the Earth. So had New York City existed 160,000 years ago, it would have been on the edge of an ice pack over a mile high. 30,000 years later, it would have been under 20 feet of water. What we need to know, says Dr. Bacala, is that climate change is not always slow or gradual.
There's a class of almost instantaneous climate change that I call monsters behind the door. I call them monsters because were they to occur today, they would be catastrophic.
Monsters that many scientists fear may be unleashed in the coming decades. January 1, 2006. Across southern Australia, the summer heat blasts its way into the record books. In the capital of Sydney, temperatures top 111 degrees. By the end of January, the most destructive brush fires in 20 years raged throughout the country, killing 9 people. After the hottest year on record, the new year brings only more of the same.
Yeah, I mean, look how hot this is. This is just amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's hot country.
In New South Wales, Fire Chief Russell Rees inspects the damage left by a wildfire during what should be Australia's wet season. The severity of the devastation is surprising and alarming.